voice rising like a rebel's cry. Midnight winds howling from the sky. Steel strings moaning in the dark. Echoes of flames ignite the spark. Your heart buzzes like a rattlesnake. Harmonica wails with a heart that aches. Drums pounding with a sweaty heart. Feel the bass line where the heat's from. Wildfire heartbeat racing through. Burns like thunder, tearing blue. Fierce and reckless, we collide. Dance with the flames, alive tonight. Guitar cuts like a razor's edge. Fingers bleeding on the moonlit ledge. A nine-neck bends to the devil's call. Lost in the rhythm, gave it my all. Wrapped in sweat and ancient fire. Spirits climbing higher and higher. The wind scream mirrors the song. That wild sound keeps us strong.